How to add Snapchat ID on Facebook. The steps are so simple if you want to add your Snapchat ID on Facebook using Android or iPhone. Now open your Facebook app now. After you open Facebook now, all you have to do now, tap on this profile. After you open your profile like this now, go and tap on edit profile, scroll to down, add links, now add social, add platform, select Snapchat. In this session now, type in your Snapchat username. My Snapchat username is Hakim. Here is my Snapchat username, Hakim Aliyu. So here is my Snapchat username. All you have to do now, tap on this social. So from there, tap on this save button. So now as you can see, here is now my Snapchat. If I now go back, refresh, now here is my Snapchat. That's it guys on how to add Snapchat link to Facebook. Please like and subscribe.